sa inyong paboritong programa, Heart to Heart with DJ Belen. I'm your DJ, always here to listen, understand, and give advice. Sa tanan natong mga listeners diha sa balay, sa sakyanan, o asa man gani mo karon, salamat sa inyong suporta. Tonight, we have a touching letter nga atog gyud hatagon og oras. Let me read the letter from one of our listeners. Itago na lang nato siya sa pangalan nga Grace. And this is her story.
I found a love for me. You're the best thing that's ever been mine.
Dear DJ Belen, maayong gabi. I hope you're doing well. DJ, I'm writing to you because I feel so lost. My boyfriend and I have been together for 3 years, and I love him so much. But lately, he's been distant. Dili na siya mag-text o reply sa ako as often as he used to. Kung magkita mi, murag wala siya gana. I asked him if there's something wrong, pero maingon ra siya nga busy siya. Pero DJ, sakit kaayo kay murag dili na siya ang parehas nga lalaki nga akong nailhan sa una. I don't know what to do. Should I let him go? Or I keep fighting for our relationship? Tabangi ko, DJ. Salamat kaayo.
When the nights are cold and the days are long, you're the melody to my every song. Take my hand.
Grace, thank you kaayo for sharing your heart with us. I can feel the pain and confusion sa imong sulat. And I admire your courage for opening up. Lisod gyud ang imong situation, pero here's my advice. Una, Grace, you have to talk him honestly. Dili mo ingon nga confrontation, but a heart-to-heart conversation. Let him know how you feel without blaming him. Sometimes, ang lalaki dili maayo ma-express sa ilang gibati, pero kinahanglan lang nimo maghinay-hinay sila. Ikaduha, think about yourself. Are you still happy in this relationship? Relationship should be make us feel loved and appreciated, not drained and confused. If you're no longer receiving the love you deserve, then maybe it's time to evaluate kung asa paingon inyong relasyon. Ikatulo, learn to let go if necessary. Grace, love is about mutual effort. Kung ikaw ra ang kapaningkamot, then it might not be worth it anymore. But kung makita nimo nga willing siya mo work para sa inyong relationship, then fight for it.
As the star, I fell and broke my.
Grace, always remember you deserve someone nga dili magpawala sa imong confidence. Ayaw kahadlok nga unahon ang imong kaugalingon. I hope makatabang akong tambag nimo. We're all rooting for you.
Can't you see you belong to me, my own identity?
Mga listeners, if you can relate to Grace's story, don't forget, love is about respect, understanding, and effort. Kung naamoy mga similar experiences, share your stories and insights. Maybe you can inspire others to be strong. Kini si DJ Belen, magapamilit ug magpasalamat sa inyong pagsalig ug suporta. Remember, no matter how heavy life feels, naagyud solution basta willing ta mangayo og tabang. Kita-kita ta ninyo sunod higayon dinhi sa Heart to Heart with DJ Belen. Have a good night mga higala and take care always.